Alright, quickly, we are going to be looking at another example of the same Pythagoras theorem. Now, in this question, it says calculate the length of the side xz. Where is our xz? This is what sz. Remember, in the example one we did, we are looking for the longest side. But this time, we are not looking for another side, but not the longest side. Among the other two sides, we are looking for one of the sides. Now, let's move ahead. Remember, Pythagoras theorem states that the square of the longest side, which is the square of the longest side, this is what? Yz. I'll write it down, yz square is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides, which is our other two sides, xy, x side xy square plus what? Xz square. Now, remember, in case you don't want to be using xy or xz or whatever you want to be, that they give us their parameters that indicate the sides. We can easily use them. Anywhere we see yz, we change it to 13. Anywhere we see xy, change it to 5. And anywhere we see what? Xz, we change it to y. So let's do that. Yz, again, we said yz is 13. We have 13 square is equal to xy. Xy is said is 5 square, as 5 square plus what? Xz is said is y. So y square. Now collect like terms. Now the essence of collecting like terms, we are trying to take numbers to one side while alphabet remain in one side. Now this is our alphabet, these are numbers. So numbers to go to one side, alphabet remain in one side. So let's remove this one. And remember, when collecting like terms, always check the signs, whether it is plus or minus. Like here now, there's an invisible plus in this place. So automatically this is plus 5. When plus crosses equal to, it becomes a minus. Alright? Now when I say 13 square, when I take this one plus 5, it will become minus 5 square equal to what? Y square. Are you with me? Good. Now let's square this 13. 13, when you square 13 to give us 169, when you square 5 to give us what? 25, which is also y square. Good. Now, subtracting these two, 169 minus 25, it will give us 144 equals to y square. Remember, like we said before, when the square crosses equal to, it becomes a square root. So therefore, we now say y is equal to the square root of 144. Look at what we did. Take this square. When a square crosses equal, it becomes the square root of this everything at the side. So if I cross it at this side, to become what? Y square. Or we can write it like this. Or continue like this. You can say the square root of 144 is equal to y. Therefore, what's the square root of 144? To give us 12. Our unit here was centimeter with centimeter. So that is the simple way of using the Pythagoras theorem in solving questions like this. In case you are yet to subscribe, please do subscribe for you to get more updates on every topic we'll be treating. And also give us a thumb up. Any topic you wish us to treat, kindly just write it on the comment section there. We'll kindly treat it.